Hi there. In this demo, I will showcase how to leverage the data builder as part of the Datasphere in order to build analytical models for the healthcare waste management solution. This is my data space. Let me close this one. These are all my artifacts built for the demo. So in the table section, we can see clearly we built two dimensions representing the master data tables of the medical facility and the medical categories for the waste. And here we have got also the fact table representing the waste transaction disposal orders along with its sustainability and cost metrics. The semantic usage type of this transactional table is fact, as you can see, and these are the relevant attributes as well as the measure, again representing the costs, metrics, and the waste weight and the C2 level emission representing the sustainability metrics. You can see the aggregation type and the data type, and here you can see clearly the associations. So medical facility, medical waste categories, and also associated with the time dimension. Moving forward, we will build views in order to project our tables, master and transactional data. So here we have got the waste transaction view representing the actual and historical metrics based on the tables we have seen in the previous section, and also, most importantly, the forecasting projection view. You can see here the source of the table. That's based on OpenSQL schema, and thanks to leveraging and inferencing the pre-trained machine learning model for the upcoming 12 months to forecast the waste, sustainability, and the cost metrics, coming from the federated machine learning library and the hyperscaler AI platform. Here we can see the relevant columns of my source table for the forecasting data. Now, if I go for the final projection view, we can see the relevant measures and attributes, costs and sustainability measures, and here are the attributes like calendar month, facility ID, waste category ID, along with the medical facility name and the waste category name. Most important also is the actual or forecast flag that shows whether the data is actual or forecasted, and so on and so forth. Now, moving forward, to ultimately build our analytical models based on the views we have seen now, we'll go for this section, analytical models now, and we will see the analytical model for the forecasted data. Most important here is that we preview in order to verify the correctness of our data and see if the results are okay and matches our requirements. So this analytical model is pretty straightforward, is really dependent on the view that we have just seen earlier, along with its associated dimensions and columns and measures. So let me go back to the fact source, which represents my analytical model, and you can see the name and the relevant measures and the dimensions, pretty similar to the view. Without really further modifications, let's go for the reviewing of the data. And here we can see all the relevant metrics and measures represented, and I can go for the, for example, calendar month to see my historical and actual and forecasting data. We can try to sort. So you can see our past data or historical data is starting from January 2019 until the forecasting data December 2024. We can actually also show in rows the dimension actual or forecast. So of course you can see the forecasting data for the next year and the actual ones. You can also display by the or categorize by the medical facility. Also you can display the waste category name. So you can really drill down to see the actual and historical as well as the forecasting metrics for each waste category for each medical facility, as we can see here. This will be the base for the data to be consumed, as I mentioned earlier, by the SAP Build app and the SAP Analytics Cloud dashboards as part of the healthcare waste management solution. Thank you.